What is up guys, this is Shaveen and you're watching SoftPay. In this video I will tell you guys how you can fix the problem that when you go to your Google Flutter's Flutter Doctor, it shows you that your Android Studio's license is unknown. So in order to fix this problem, it is quite a simple fix. But before we begin with the video, I would just like to tell you guys that if you encounter any software related problems, you can just comment it down below on our videos and we will make a solution video for you guys. Also, here's a quick word for our affiliate. The KeepSolid VPN Unlimited is an amazing VPN service which provides a solid DNS firewall for your PC. You can try it out for free using the link below and use the code SOFTBAY20 to get a 20% off on your purchase. Okay, so now let's begin with the video. So the first thing you have to do in order to solve this Flutter Doctor license unknown problem is you have to first go to Android Studio, and once you open up Android Studio, you should go to Help and then click on check for updates and check for any updates for your Android Studio. Basically, your Android Studio should be up to date for this to work. After you update your Android Studio and you follow all the instructions on the guide, you have to reopen Android Studio and this time go to the upper right hand corner and then you'll find a button for SDK Manager. Just click on it and then your SDK Manager should open in your Android Studio. Then just go to SDK Tools and in SDK Tools uncheck Hide Obsolete Packages. After that, you should be able to find a package known as Android SDK Tools and in the bracket it should say obsolete. Just click on it and check it, and once you check it, it should display a download symbol next to the Android SDK Tools. That means that as soon as you click OK, it will start downloading the Android SDK Tools obsolete. So just click OK and then follow through the downloading procedures in order to install Android SDK Tools on your device. After you install Android SDK Tools, then you have to go back and close down Android Studio. And after you close down Android Studio, again open up your command prompt or whichever console you're using in your Flutter dictionary and then go to Flutter Doctor, and then this time it should show you a different problem. It should say that some Android license are not accepted. That just means that you have to agree to the terms and conditions in order to solve this issue. For this, just write down the following command: Flutter Doctor space -- Android licenses, and I'll mention this below in the description for you to check out. After you run this, it will say that some of your packages, that is some of your SDK packages, are not accepted. So for this, just continue pressing Y and enter to accept all the conditions for this. And after you accept to all the agreements for this SDK, it should say that all SDK package licenses are accepted. After this, if you go to the Flutter Doctor again, it should work properly and there should be a check mark next to the Android toolchain. And this is it. So thank you for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If this video helped you, then consider liking the video and obviously subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye.